असम और मेघालय के बीच लंबे समय से चला आ रहा सीमा विवाद को सुलझाने के प्रति दोनों ही सरकारें गंभीर दिख रही हैं। आज मेघालय के मुख्यमंत्री कोनराड सांगमा ने बताया कि इस सिलसिले में असम के मुख्यमंत्री से उनकी अनौपचारिक वार्ता हुई है। सीमा विवाद के अलावा कई अन्य मुद्दों पर भी दोनों नेताओं ने बात की। मुख्यमंत्री कोनराड सांगमा ने कहा कि केंद्र सरकार भी असम और मेघालय के बीच जल्द सीमा विवाद का हल चाहती है। उन्होंने कहा कि जब तक 12 विवादित स्थानों के विवाद को सुलझा नहीं लिया जाता, तब तक इन इलाकों का समुचित विकास नहीं होगा।
The entire discussion for the border issue has been a continuous process, and we have been talking unofficially about this issue. It is an issue that has been there for the last 50 years, 49 years, and therefore there is no simple solution to this answer. So in order to be able to take things forward, we need to find ways and means in which we could come up with solutions that are acceptable by both sides and amicable. So therefore it will have to be worked out. But as a government, it is our endeavor to see that we find a permanent solution. So therefore, a lot of discussions and talks have been taking place. And at the background of that, Meghalaya also has been doing a lot of homework. In fact, last 3 weeks I have spent more time on the border matter than any other matter.
कोनराड सांगमा ने कहा कि असम और मेघालय के बीच दोस्ताना रिश्ता है। केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह भी अंतर्राज्यीय सीमा विवाद को सुलझाने के मामले में सक्रियता से काम कर रहे हैं। केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह ने उम्मीद जताई है कि अगले साल 15 अगस्त तक असम और मेघालय के बीच चला आ रहा सीमा विवाद सुलझा लिया जाएगा।
This is a good time to take this forward also, because there is a very positive relationship in the leadership between Assam and Meghalaya at this point in time. We both share equal respect for each other and for our people and for our state. And also Government of India has been also actively pursuing this matter. The Home Minister had desired that before the 75th year of independence of the country, that all these issues, not just with Meghalaya Assam, but with Assam and other states also, should be resolved. So therefore it will be our endeavor and our desire and our efforts to resolve this within that time frame. It will be our efforts.
और इधर मुख्यमंत्री कोनराड सांगमा भी जल्द ही दोनों राज्यों के बीच जारी विवाद को सुलझाने के प्रति आश्वस्त है। हालांकि उन्होंने यह भी माना कि 40 साल पुराने इस विवाद को सुलझाना दोनों राज्यों के लिए इतना आसान नहीं है, मगर दोनों सरकारें इसे सुलझाने को लेकर गंभीर है।
To number one, of course, we have unofficially heard that he is coming, but when the Home Minister of the country or the Prime Minister of the country comes, then we wait for the official communication from their office. So we have not received the official communication. The itinerary has not been received. So we're waiting for that. That's number one. Number two, that it could be. I don't think it will be possible for me to say what's going to happen, but all the chief ministers will be here. All the chief secretaries and all the DGPs will be here. So, of course, a lot of issues relating to Northeast will be discussed, development-oriented, law and order aspect, international boundary, insurgency, and obviously border issue also would be part of the discussion. But to say that it's going to start with that or how it's going to move forward is difficult to say right now.